All right, let's move on to our next one, and that is Uber is going to start showing advertisements to everybody now. So, whew,
Not you,
if you
driver.
are somebody in chat, have you seen an advertisement yet when you're ordering a ride? Let us know.
I haven't seen it yet. I haven't taken an Uber trip last 2 weeks, so I haven't seen one yet. But I'll take one next week, probably going somewhere. And this is only on the passenger app, so don't panic, drivers. This is not in your app. Passengers are going to see it.
Well, to start, they do want to put
Well,
tablets into drivers' cars. So are they going to put any extra money in? Oh, yeah, they're going to give you $1 extra per ride. In actuality, it's like 42 cents.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Oh,
like
man.
the EV shaving situation. But
Yeah,
anyway,
right.
I think this is brilliant on Uber's part. Okay, I'm not going to deny it. And Lyft is doing the same thing, by the way. They have tablets going on now, and
Mhm.
you know, like they know exactly where you're going. They know you're going to out at night to a bar. I mean, if Budweiser, forget Budweiser, screw Budweiser. If Modelo is, why
Modelo,
would
yeah.
Modelo pay Uber to show a Modelo ad to this person that's going to this bar? I mean, they're just going to be like preconditioned to buy a Modelo. I mean,
Well,
I think it's
that's what
brilliant.
they said. That's what they said. They have extreme targeting ad
Yeah, I think it's brilliant.
capabilities because they know where you live.
Brilliant.
They know where you're going.
Yeah.
So they know if you're going out, they know if you're going to the store. They know if you've used the app, they know where you go if you shop at, certain stores like Walmart or, grocery stores. They
Yeah.
know what you order at those
Yeah.
stores if you decide to do shop and pay or anything like that.
Brilliant.
They know all that information about you, and then who knows what other info they try to get on the phone or what info they may buy or whatever it might
Yeah.
be.
Yeah.
When
Yeah.
it comes to an algorithmic um, little file that they have on you as a rider. So yeah, they
Absolutely.
can place extremely targeted ads, which comes at a pretty cost. So yeah, it's for them, it's a smart business move. And I don't know. Do you think that this is something that could put them over the top with the advertisements?
Yeah. You know what? I have nothing negative to say. I think this is brilliant. So,
Hey, if they put a tablet in my car and they're willing to pay right for that, then I may not have a problem putting a tablet in my car. I don't want to be on the hook if somebody tries to steal it, but who knows?
yeah, I agree. Yeah.
At least in my opinion. So,
Yeah, no,
I mean,
it's
right
brilliant.
on the next one, it says, "Look, we have 2 minutes of your attention. We know where you are. We know where you're going. We know what you have eaten." Boom, there it is. We can use all that to basically target a video ad towards you. 2 minutes is roughly how long Uber estimates an average customer looks at the Uber app on a typical 15-minute long journey. So
Yeah,
that's just on their app. On
yeah,
top of that, if they're going to start putting these journey ads into the trip, which is installing the tablets in the seats of select Uber vehicles, that's going to be even more. So, is it going to be something like Gas TV when you turn your Sergio just left. So, but when it comes to Gas TV, when you're going to fill up your car and you take and you're filling up, and all of a sudden that little screen pops up, and it's this little annoying thing of the same exact thing looping on a 2-minute thing. How annoyed are you going to get as a driver having to hear that for 8-10 hours that you may be on the road? I don't know about you, but that would annoy the hell out of me. So hopefully, if they're going to do something like Gas TV, they're going to do something where it's like 30 minutes and it doesn't replay every time a passenger gets in the car, because that would just be really annoying. Um, and if they're willing to, share a little bit with showing the money, then I think that that's going to be pretty good there. All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.